We are coming to you today from our Elizabeth Avenue location, and we have an exciting new product drop.
As you all know, we've been doing the pizza kits, and it's a lot of fun with family and friends, and we thought we might want to add another component to that.
You know, sometimes you want to get messy and get in there and have a bit of fun. Other times
you just want to grab something to eat.
Yeah, you just want dinner ready. So that is what we're doing for you.
So we're going to tell them what it is?
Today we are launching our vac-pac take and bake pizzas. And now we're going to take you on a sneak peek of everything that goes on behind the scenes to make these pizzas possible for you in your home. Follow us. Here they are!
Fresh out of the packer.
Fresh out of the packer, fresh out of the oven, ready to go into your oven.
The whole idea behind this is you've got really convenient, quick and easy. It takes 4 to 5 minutes to cook in your oven, and you're sitting down to a great meal.
And these are available at our Elizabeth Avenue location right now, and some grocery stores like Urban Market, and more to come soon across the province of Newfoundland and Labrador.
Enjoy!
Bye!